So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video I am going to show you how you can install Aircall in your Mac. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First you can open your browser and search install Aircall on Mac using Brew. Okay, so you can see the first link. Click on this link and now you can see the installation command. Copy this command and paste in your terminal. So here's my terminal. Paste the command. Okay, now you can see Aircall was successfully installed. So I can check Aircall is installed successfully or not. So let's check. Okay, you can see Aircall is installed. You can see Aircall is successfully installed in Mac.